I didn't bring Elevator Dog 100 with me, but here's date and time on a Garmin Forerunner 620. And today we're going to ride the elevator at the Motel 6 in Rolling Meadows, Illinois. And for a while I've been wanting to visit this property to see if they have any elevators or what kind of elevators they have. And it turns out they do have elevators here. And plus it makes sense that they have elevators since it's a 3-story building. But anyways guys, with that being said, let's take a ride on it. It's an Otis Series 1 with flush button. And here it is. And the top part of the air was burnt out. Like only this part's showing, not the top. No, you're not closing up yet. So anyways, I'm gonna hit the 3. It smells kind of funny in this elevator. Ooh, bang. Anyways, let's watch the indicator. Anyways, here are 3. The motor seems really nice in this thing, but the way it levels and starts isn't so great. So, yeah, being the first one riding this elevator, I'm just gonna say that it kind of sucks. That's typical though, because Motel 6 chains aren't meant to be that nice. So anyways, here's our cab view, and there's your indicator. Ooh, it's plop leveled, as you can see, or as you saw. Your fixtures, and your phone is down there. And now we're gonna get out and watch the elevators close up. There it goes. And there might be more elevators on this property, so I'm gonna do that off camera and see if there is. But for now, that's gonna be it.